Let's take a look how Civil Plus generate all the cross sections for the whole chainage of your alignment or road. First, we need to create a sample line in the Civil Plus application. The Civil Plus application has been customized to follow the local authorities or the JKR standard. Let's create all the cross section having the same width throughout the chainages. You can set the range of your typical cross section. This is the default value, which is also adopted by JKR, 25 meters. And once you click OK, Civil Plus will create the cross sections on the plan view every 25 meters. Next, we will need to know the volume calculation for this stretch of road. By filling the appropriate value in the Windows base wizard interface, it is easy to generate the volume report in Civil Plus. The volume report is presented in HTML format for e-tendering purposes. Still, you can copy the report into your Microsoft Excel or Word or PowerPoint presentation to do further adjustment or formatting. Next, let's create the cross sections. You can create the cross section one by one or create all cross sections at once using the create multiple function. Again, the Civil Plus application has been designed to follow the Arahan Teknik JKR standard. You can still further customize this Civil Plus application. No programming is involved. You just need to know the appropriate command to change the settings of your Civil Plus application. As you can see, Civil Plus will generate all the cross sections at one go. If you have 10 kilometers of road, all 10 kilometers of road having 25 meters cross section will be generated automatically in the DWG format, together with the hatching for your cut area, the volume calculation for every 25 meters chainage, as well as the critical super elevation point. Therefore, no AutoCAD command is involved to generate all the cross sections at one go. You have saved a lot of time to generate all these cross sections comparing normal AutoCAD function. Civil Plus is the right tool for road and highway application for engineers or designers to use. Next, let's generate the mesh hole diagram inside Civil Plus application. By following or completing the window-based wizard, you can create the mesh hole diagram instantly. As you can see, the mesh hole diagram indicating a very bad design because of too many cut area in my profile. Let's do some of the adjustment in the profile. We're going to raise the profile by 6 meters from its original location. Before that, let's split the screen into two portions so that we'll be able to see the dynamic changes throughout the model. The top portion is concentrating on the mesh hole diagram. The bottom portion is focusing on the profile. Let's change or raise the profile, your finished road level profile, by 6 meters throughout. Once you click OK, the profile has been updated, and what you need to do next is to update the corridor. Watch when you rebuild the corridor, your meso diagram or your cross sections will be updated as well. Now my meso diagram has been updated, as well as all the cross sections individually. Previously, all the cross section having 100% cut area. Now all my cross section having a balance of cut and fill area as well. The cut area is indicated in red hatch. The green area is the fill area. Again, no AutoCAD command is involved to update the model, and any changes you do to the model will update the entire DWG drawing.